Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hare Guruvayurappa Sharanam. Here now we have come to chapter 45 of Narayaniyam, which is Bala Leela. Srimad Bhagavatam, Dasamaskanda chapter 8 verses 21 to 31 contain the Balakrida Varnana, which is condensed as chapter 45 of Narayaniyam. No words can explain the childhood pranks of Bhagavan along with Balrama, thereby bringing delight to the Vrajastris and to Mother Yashoda and to the whole of Gokulam, and indeed delights to all of us listening to the explanations. Let's hear it in Sriman Bhattadri's verses itself. अयि सबलमुरारे पाणिजानुप्रचारैः किमपि भवनभागान् भूषयन्तौ भवन्तौ चलितचरणकञ्जौ मञ्जुमञ्जीरसिञ्जा श्रवणकुतुकभाजौ चेरदुश्चारुवेगात्. हरे ओ मुरारी, thou and thy brother Balram soon moved about on thy hands and knees. That is, தவிழ ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க. When thou moved about, thou looked so beautiful that it was like your movements adorned the various parts of the house. With thy movements, thy ankle trinkets tinkled pleasingly, and so to increase the pleasing sound, you charmingly moved about with more briskness. ऋतु विहसन्तौ उन्मिषद्दन्तवन्तौ वदनपतितकेशौ दृश्यपादाब्जदेशौ भुजगलितकरान्दव्यालगत्कङ्कणाङ्गौ मतिमहरतमुच्चैः पश्यतां विश्वनृणाम्. Thy very gentle smile revealed the newly cut teeth. Thy lustrous locks of hair streamed around thy face. It was a lovely sight to look at thy lotus feet and thy arms, with armlets having slipped down to the wrists, which were marked with bracelets. Thou and thy brother intensely captivated the minds of all the onlookers and also of all the people of the world. अनुसरति जनौखे कौतुकव्याकुलाक्षे किमपि कृतनिनादं व्याहसन्तौ द्रवन्तौ वलितवदनपद्मं पृष्ठदो दत्तदृष्टि किमिव न विदधाते कौतुकं वासुदेव. Oh Vasudeva, all the people followed thee with their eager, affectionate eyes set on thee. As the two of you ran, you made some screaming sounds, then laughed and ran as though turned thy lotus-like faces, casting a look at the people behind. What incredible joyful excitement you caused when you did so. Hare Guruvayurappa. धृतगदिषु पदन्तौ उत्थितौ लिप्तभङ्गौ दिवि मुनिभिरभङ्गैः सस्मितं मन्द्यमानौ द्रुतमदजननीभ्यां सानुकम्बं गृहीतौ मुहुरभि परिरब्धौ द्राग्युवां चुम्बितौ च. As though two moved fast, though fell and got up and were smeared and tainted by mud, the taintless sages in heaven saw thee pranks and smiled at thee and saluted thee worshipfully. Then Hare, you too would be with great care quickly picked up by the two mothers and would be embraced and kissed again and again. स्तुतकुचभरमङ्गे धारयन्ती भवन्तं तरलमदियशोदा स्तन्यदा धन्य धन्या कपटपशुपमध्ये मुग्धहासाङ्गुरं ते दशनमुकुलहृद्यं वीक्ष्य वक्त्रं जहर्ष. The tender-hearted Yashoda, with overflowing and full breasts, held thee in her lap and fed thee. How extremely fortunate and blessed she was as she did so. O Hare, the seeming cowherd boy, in between the feeding, you smiled bewitchingly, revealing the charming jasmine buds like teeth, and seeing thy face, Yashoda was filled with delight. तदनु चरणचारी दारगैः सागमाराद निलयततिषु खेलन् बालचापल्यशाली भवनशुकविलालान् वत्सगांश्चानुधावन् कथमपि कृतहासैः गोपकैर्वारितो भूः. Next, as you started to walk about, you played with the other boys in the neighboring houses and compounds with the natural childlike restlessness. The Gopas witnessed with joyful laughter as you also chased the pet parrots, cats, and calves of the household, and they somehow restrained thee from doing so. हलधरसहितस्त्वं यत्र यत्रोभयादः पिबच पतितनेत्राः तत्र तत्रैव गोप्यः विगलितगृहकृत्याः विस्मृता भर्तृभृत्याः मुरहरमुहुरत्यन्दाकुला नित्यमासन्. Wheresoever you went with your elder brother Haldar, that is Balram, gopis helplessly and spellbound kept watching you. They even neglected their household duties and forgot all about their children and servants. Oh Murare, they were always so very much excited as this happened again and again. प्रतिनवनवनीतं गोपिका दत्तमिच्छन् कलपदमुपागायन् कोमलं क्वापि नृत्यन् सदय युवतिलोकैः अर्पितं सर्पिरश्नन् क्वचन नवविपक्वं दुग्धमप्यापिबस्त्वम्. You would sweetly sing and sometimes charmingly dance about with the desire of getting fresh butter. The young women, full of affection, gave you butter, which you both ate, and also gave freshly boiled milk, which you drank with delight. मम खलु बलिगेः याजनं जातमास्ताम् इह पुनरबलानाम् अग्रदो नैव कुर्वे इति विहितमधिक्यं देवसन्ध्यञ्जयाज्ञां दधिकृतमहरस्त्वं चारुणा चोरणेन. In the house of Mahabali, I had to go begging. Let that be okay. Here, now in front of these ladies, I am not going to do so. Oh, hey, thus deciding, you gave up begging for curd and ghee and resorted to pleasantly stealing in clever, delightful ways. तव दधिकृतमोषे घोषयोषा जनानाम् अभजद हृदि रोषो नावकाशं न शोकः हृदयमपि मुषित्वा हर्षसिन्धौ न्यथास्त्वं स मम शमय रोगान् वादगेहाधिनाथा. The Gopikas did not have place in their hearts for either anger or sorrow by your stealing of butter and ghee. They did not even feel any dirt for its being stolen. It was So, because you also stole their hearts and immersed them in the ocean of bliss. Hare Guru Ayyappa, kindly eradicate my ailments. शागाग्रेदविदुं विलोक्य फलमित्यम्बाजतादं मुहुः सम्प्रार्थ्याद तदा तदीयवचसा प्रोक्षिप्तबाहौ त्वयि चित्रं देवशशि सते कर्मगाद् किं ब्रूमहे सम्पद ज्योतिर्मण्डलपूरिताखिलवपुः प्रागा विराट्रूपदाम्. On the front end of the branch of a tree, watching the moon, you asked thy mother and father again and again for the moon, saying that it was a fruit. At that time, then, going by thy father's words, when thou flung thy two arms amazingly at the deity moon came into thy hands. What can we say of thy splendorous lordliness? Thy whole body was covered by luminous light, and thou attained thy cosmic form. किं किं वदेदमिति सम्भ्रमभाजमेनं ब्रह्मार्णवेषणमुं परिमज्यतादं मायां पुनस्तनयमोहमयीं विदन्वन् आनन्दचिन्मयजगन्मय पाहि रोगाद्. Seeing thy cosmic form, what is all this? Thus, your father was a vessel of amazement. You immersed him in the cosmic ocean for a moment, then again extended thy Maya and thus brought about the enchanting form of a son. That bliss incarnate, supreme consciousness, cosmic form, O Krishna, save me from disease. Here, now we will listen to the bhajan song from Sati Suresh.
Adharam madhuram vadanam madhuram nayanam madhuram hasitam madhuram hridayam madhuram gamanam मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपते अखिलं मधुरं गोपा मधुरा गावो मधुरा यष्टिर्मधुरा सृष्टिर्मधुरा दलितं मधुरं फलितं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम्.